everyone and welcome back to the channel. And this isn't the last video of the year, but it could be the last show car video of the year. What's going on with my hair? It looks absolutely mad. Anyway, yeah, so behind me we're at a place called Moat Farm. It's near Knutsford and I've been here before. It's a sort of combination or a collaboration of loads of clubs, far too many to mention, just absolutely loads of them. And it's for a really good cause as well, this charity event. It's for this child which has got so many health issues. It's so sad to hear about. So it is all for a good cause, which is fantastic. All those car enthusiasts can get together, but at the same time, you know, we're sort of giving towards the family and hopefully, you know, it'll help them in some way. But anyway, what I did is something a little bit different. I'm not going to go around and film every single car because there are so many of them. But what I've done is, actually for the first time ever, I've used my drone and I've actually done like loads of cool aerial shots of the whole event and a couple of little close-ups just of some cars that sort of, you know, caught my eye. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Ooh, can you hear that? Just as I was about to end the video. But anyway, I'll end the video there. Hope you all enjoyed the video and see you again soon. Bye.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 you got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.